think I should go through considering it's 40 degrees out. Didn't even make it to the end of the trail.
Look at the mailbox.
I think it's right above us. Look at that cloud zipping. That's one right there. It's coming down right here. Look at it spinning right here at the end of the street. See it? It's starting to come down. See the back one coming down? There it is. There's the twist right there. You can see the trail. It's going to form right here. Hear the train sound? Look at how those clouds just stop. It's right above me. Yeah, look at those trees. Yeah, see how those are stopped? We're on this side of the rotation. And they said it sounds like a train. It's like right there. Yep, time to go now. What's that back look like, Aaron?
Shining on me like a big spotlight. Oh, hey, we're recording. How's everybody doing? Man, we haven't been on here in a long time. Them Sloan boys has done broke up. I tell you what, can't get us together for anything. We're all so busy with our lives. But hey, figured I'd get on here. Try to put a video out there for everybody. I don't know what the heck we're doing lately. Hopefully we're done wood splitting. I'm sure everyone's tired of seeing all that, but it's still a little chilly, but we're gonna make Mom figure it out. See if we can get through the wood we already got split, and hopefully the weather turns for the good. But heading over to Jake's now, see what he's got going on. I think he's putting in a new addition to his driveway, so hang tight and let's see what he's got going on. Here we are at the Jakester's house. Daniel's on a tractor. One thing he's good at is digging holes. Looks like he's done digging a hole. Oh, look at this guy. Got all kinds of stuff going on here. Oh, wrong side?
Wrong side.
That's why I said Daniel's good at digging holes. He's on a route. What'd you say? 35?
35.75 a ton.
Huh.
Is it branches fall? I told you.
Another one fell?
Brought the old one. Yep. Yeah, he fell right there.
That's
I
a tick.
fell right in the field and got hit.
That's a ticking time bomb around here.
I thought it blew all the dead ones out. Looked like it was the last one. I don't see no more dead ones. Oh, Daniel got nailed right in the head. I was just like, we're both like, what the?
Must have loosened them up. That gravel ain't gonna put a dent in that.
Sure don't look like that. They had some more urine. They lost 2 of them. I don't want that.
Really?